Hey there guys, and welcome to another video of the Curious Explorer. Today I am going to be visiting De Leon Springs State Park. So right now it's about 7:30 and the park opens at 8. But we're here so early because of this insanely long line right over there. So if you can see it, it goes all the way back there. But here at De Leon Springs, there is a lot to do. There's obviously a spring and a special restaurant where you can make your own pancakes. This restaurant is called Sugar Mills, and we're going to be going there as well. De Leon Springs is a second magnitude spring, and it pumps out 14 million gallons of water per day, and the max depth is 30 feet. Behind the springs, there is a beautiful waterfall that leads into the De Leon Springs Run. On the Springs Run, you can book a boat tour that talks about the history and nature of the area. The Sugar Mills restaurant is right next to the springs. You have to book a spot because it's so popular and the wait times are usually very long. Our wait time was 2 hours. Behind the restaurant, there are many historical artifacts like this structure called the Fountain of Youth and this part of the original sugar mill. After we explored the area around the springs, we decided to take a swim in the springs. It was really hot outside, so the cool 72-degree water felt really nice. I had a lot of fun jumping off of a ledge that a lot of people were jumping off of. I also had a lot of fun making my dad dizzy by spinning on an inner tube. Next to the springs, there is a building that used to be the Ponce de Leon Hotel and Casino. Now, it's the visitor center of the De Leon Springs State Park. Inside the visitor center, you can find many historical artifacts and informative panels about the history of the area. As we were exploring the visitor center, our name was announced to come eat at the Sugar Mills restaurant. So, we went in and had some lunch. The inside of the restaurant had an old-timey vibe and had an example of the inner workings of a sugar mill. Each table has a griddle, and you can order many toppings. After a 2-hour wait, we're here, and I'm really excited. So basically what we have is 3 toppings: blueberries, chocolate, and bananas. And then we have 2 pitchers. The blue one is multigrain, and this one, the red one, is just old-fashioned. This was my first pancake. My favorite toppings were chocolate chips and blueberries. Time for the flip. Or not. Do I look nervous? I was, but it turned out all right.
Yeah.
My dad made pancakes and eggs.
We just had our pancake lunch. It was really delicious, but now we're gonna call it a day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And together, let's continue to explore.